5, 4, 3, 2.
Hey there, I'm Steve. Blue and I are using a microscope. Where's Blue?
He's right there.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, there she is. Blue, are you done using the microscope? What else is there to look at? Gas. Okay, we'll play Blue's Clues. Blue's Clues? No, we're going to play Blue's Clues because it's a really fun game. Yeah. Please don't tell us what else you want to look at under the microscope. But remember, Blue's paw prints will be on the clues. Blue's Clues. You know what else we need? Our handy dandy notebook. And we'll also need your help to figure out what else you want to look at. Will you help me?
Yeah.
Great! We're gonna find some paw prints, blah 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 blah. Forgot the song? Okay.
We gotta find
Some paw prints, that's the 3 clues. We put them in our notebook, and now what do we do? Dun, dun, dun. Blue's Clues, Blue's Clues.
Blue's Clues.
Now we sit down in our thinking chair and think, think, think. When we use our minds and take a step at a time, we can do anything that we want. Okay. Now let's find our clues. We are with some Blue's Clues. We are with some Blue's Clues.
Oh, look, a clue.
A clue? Where?
It's by the picture of the mitochondria. It's the one that has, it transfers energy, and it does this from the organic molecules to ATP.
Oh, on the mitochondria. Did you know that they have both an inner and outer phospholipid membrane? The outer phospholipid membrane separates it from the cytosol, and the inner phospholipid membrane has folds called cristae, which have proteins that carry out energy-harvesting chemical reactions. They also have their own DNA and can reproduce by the splitting of other pre-existing mitochondria. Let's draw it in our handy-dandy notebook. Okay, so first we'll draw a circle, and then we draw little squigglies in it for the cristae. There, we have our first clue. Now let's look for other ones. Oh, hey Blue.
Look, a clue.
A clue? Where?
It's on the organelle that has its own DNA, and it is surrounded by a double membrane. It's on the notebook.
Oh, it must be a plastid. What kind of plastid is it?
Oh, it's a plastid that makes carbohydrates using light energy, and it does this, and it also has a system of membranous sacs called thylakoids, and the thylakoids contain the color pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the main molecule that, oh no, I know this. It contains it's the light energy. Wait, oh no. Okay, it's the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is the main molecule that absorbs light and captures light energy for the cell.
Oh, it must be a chloroplast. Did you know that they exist in both plant cells and types of algae like seaweed? Their DNA is also similar to the DNA of some photosynthetic bacteria. They're also believed to be descendants of ancient prokaryotic cells that were incorporated into plant cells through a process called endosymbiosis. Let's draw it in our handy-dandy notebook. Okay, so we'll draw the cell, and then we'll draw little ovals in it for the thylakoids. Okay, so what was our first clue?
Mitochondria.
And now we have a chloroplast. We just need to find the last one. Let's go into the slide. We can do, we can do, yay!
Hey, look, a clue.
Another clue? Where?
It's by the colorful pigmented plastids, and they have something that may or may not take part in photosynthesis.
Oh, it must be a chromoplast then.
Oh yeah, that's because they are just like chloroplasts, except they differ in content. There are other kinds of plastids too. For example, there's a milloplastid that contains starch. They all come from the precursor proplastid.
Great, so now we have 3 clues. Let's go to our thinking chair. So let's think. What has a mitochondria, a chloroplast, and a chromoplast? Could it be an animal cell?
No, because animal cells don't have chloroplasts.
Then what is it?
It's a plant cell.
Yay! We figured out Blue's Clues.
We just figured out
Blue's Clues. We just figured out Blue's Clues. We just figured out Blue's Clues. Because we're really smart.
Yay.
Thanks, guys. Now we're
time
for
for
so long. we'll just sing one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. Me and you and my dog.